Welcome to Autospector, the ultimate destination for all car enthusiasts and patrol heads alike. Here at Autospector, we don't just bring you the latest car news and reviews, we ignite your passion for all things on four wheels. From jaw-dropping supercars to the latest innovations in electric vehicles, our channel is your one-stop pit stop for an adrenaline-fueled ride into the heart of the automotive world. Join us as we rev up engines, dissect cutting-edge technologies, and navigate the twists and turns of the ever-evolving car industry.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Autospector, your gateway to automotive excellence. Gearheads, SUV enthusiasts, and eco-conscious drivers, buckle up. The wait is over, and the next generation of Mitsubishi's off-road beast, the XForce, is here. But this time, it's packing a serious punch in the form of a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, powertrain, and whispers suggest a fully electric version is on the horizon. So, is this the future of SUVs? Let's dive deep and see if the 2025 XForce PHEV lives up to the hype. The 2025 XForce PHEV boasts a combination of a powerful gasoline engine and electric motors, offering both impressive fuel efficiency and head-turning performance. Imagine silently conquering city streets in electric mode, then seamlessly switching to gasoline hybrid power for extended adventures off the beaten path. Rumors are circulating about the launch of an all-electric variant of this XForce, and if true, it could revolutionize off-roading. The video delves into the potential impact of this development, focusing on the electric power's silent strength and immediate torque, coupled with this XForce's renowned off-road capabilities. The piece addresses key concerns regarding the readiness of charging infrastructure for electric off-roading, exploring aspects such as the vehicle's range on a single charge, charging times, and the availability of charging stations, particularly in remote areas. The discussion extends to the feasibility of off-road charging solutions, examining the existence of portable or mobile charging options for true adventure seekers. Shifting focus to the 2025 XForce PHEV, the video highlights the vehicle's promise of a comfortable and technologically advanced interior suitable for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. It scrutinizes aspects such as passenger and cargo space, evaluating whether the vehicle can accommodate both gear and crew effectively. The examination extends to the user-friendliness and richness of the infotainment system, as well as the inclusion of the latest safety features and driver assistance technologies. So, is the 2025 Mitsubishi XForce PHEV the future of SUVs? With its blend of performance, efficiency, and capability, it's certainly a strong contender. But the answer ultimately depends on your needs and priorities. What do you think about the 2025 XForce PHEV? Is it the SUV of your dreams? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss the future of electric and hybrid off-roading.